What's going on? Today, I'll be showing you my top 5 Shopify apps every store needs. Hey guys, today I will be showing you the top 5 Shopify apps that you need on your store. If you have watched our tutorials in the past, you probably own a business or are building a Shopify store. If you decide that you would like to have your store taken off your hands so you can focus on the business, then check out our Sales Accelerator program. This program uses online advertising to increase sales on your site. And as always, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that button and the bell so you know exactly when we drop more tutorials. Let's get into it. All right, so just disclaimer here. These are no particular order. These are just 5 apps that we think every store should have. And we're going to give you specific apps for some of these, but they are a ton of different options out there. So if you find that maybe the one that we're recommending is not the best for you in your particular store, then definitely just do a quick search on Shopify and find the one that works for you. All right, let's get into it. The first one that we're gonna talk about is Sumo. Now you can find us at sumo.com with Noah Kagan. He actually created this app, and it's an excellent plugin for Shopify. It allows you to reduce cart abandonment. It increases the average order of your value by just providing a simple sections on your website or even pop-ups. You can collect email addresses and give out unique discounts to people going into your store. So Sumo is an excellent tool to increase conversions and just add more to your average order value. They do have a free plan available, but they also have the Pro account, which you can get for $39 a month paid annually. The second app we're gonna talk about today is Bold Upsell. And again, there are multiple upsell options out there, but we think that Bold Upsell has some of the best features and excellent customer support. What Upsell allows you to do is what any other store in the world is already doing, even McDonald's down the road, right? They always ask you, do you want to supersize this meal or do you want to make it larger? It gives you the exact same customer navigation, right? Process where someone adds a particular item to their cart and you can upsell them with something that is similar or maybe in the same category, or that product complements, right, this other product. It has a lot of different features where you can add upsells to your product page, your cart page, and even different pages. Even on your homepage, you could add the ability to upsell your products. Now, Bold Upsell doesn't have a free account, but it starts from $9.99 all the way up to $89.99. depending on your store and your wants and needs. Number 3 is going to be an SEO tool. I would obviously always recommend that you increase your speed on your website. And one of the easiest ways that you could do this is by optimizing your images. So you can definitely check out SEO Image Optimizer. This allows you to almost automatically condense some of your images, some of your product images, some of your images that you're using on carousels or sliders or hero sections. And it's just an excellent tool to have at your disposal, right? If you don't do the SEO Image Optimizer, I would definitely recommend that you look into just SEO and look for apps that will help you rank higher in Google by just optimizing your store. This is something that a lot of people don't do with their stores. They kind of neglect the SEO aspect, but it will help you tremendously. And like I said, the lowest hanging fruit is those images. A lot of people don't realize that the size of the images that you upload to your store matter. So SEO Image Optimizer allows you to quickly and easily condense those images on your store. They do have a free plan, but they also have some paid plans available. Number 4, it's going to be something that, again, some people neglect or maybe don't think about when they're building their store. It's going to be AfterShip. AfterShip takes care of after the sale, right? So after the sale, you want to make sure that you're sending emails and that you're sending reminders of their tracking number, right? And not just a tracking number, but with AfterShip, you create your own page, your own dedicated page where on the email, they click on that and it will take them to this page where you'll give them updates on where their product is currently at. So I think this is highly, highly important and something that will sort of put you in a different category, right, from other stores. Stores that are doing this truly care about the customer experience and the customer journey. And it doesn't stop after they just purchase. You have to go above and beyond that, right? So AfterShip takes care of that. And it's a pretty cool app. They do have a free plan available. And then after that, they range from $9 all the way to $1,000. Depends on, again, the wants and needs of your store. And lastly, at number 5, we actually don't have a strict recommendation, but I would say that you need a chat app, right? There are things like Tidio live chat. You can also integrate WhatsApp chat. You can also include your Facebook as your live chat option. Those are all 3 really good options as far as having that functionality on your website. Again, some of them are going to give you better features. Facebook is going to be the free one that you can just add pretty easily to your store, and all the people that write to you there will just go into your Facebook page. But obviously you don't have as many features or automatic responses or things like that. You have some ability to do that, but not as extensive as something like Tidio or the WhatsApp chat. The chat allows you to just quickly message people back and forth if they have any questions regarding your products or your services or shipping or taxes or anything like that. And you're able to just quickly answer their questions. And that's part of the customer service and customer journey. So it's important that you have something in place where they're able to just communicate with you pretty easily. All right, and there you have it. Those are the 5 apps that we recommend that you have on your Shopify store. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button and let us know in the comments down below that you enjoyed this video. Or if you want to know the top 10 apps that we recommend for your Shopify store, let us know down below and we'll make another video for you. And also, if you're interested in our Sales Accelerator program, where we help you increase sales to your store by using online ads, again, let us know in the comments. Write us to hello@bitbranding.co.